In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to generate LinkedIn post ideas for your niche and audience. If you ever sit down to create LinkedIn content and immediately feel stuck, this process can make things much easier. Instead of waiting for inspiration, you can use ChatGPT as a brainstorming partner to help you come up with relevant, useful post ideas that fit your industry and speak directly to the people you want to reach. To begin, open ChatGPT and clearly describe your LinkedIn niche or industry. Be as specific as you can here because better input usually leads to better results. For example, instead of saying you work in marketing, describe the kind of marketing you do, the problems you solve, or the area you focus on. This gives ChatGPT a stronger foundation and helps it generate ideas that are more aligned with your actual content goals. Next, tell ChatGPT who your target audience is. This is an important step because strong LinkedIn content is not just about your topic, it is about who the content is for. You might be speaking to business owners, job seekers, team leaders, freelancers, or people at a certain stage in their careers. The more clearly you define your audience, the more useful and relevant the post ideas will be. Once that is set, ask ChatGPT to generate LinkedIn post ideas for that audience. At this point, you are giving it the context it needs to brainstorm content that is practical, targeted, and easier to use. If the first batch feels too broad, you can always refine your prompt and ask for more focused ideas. After that, request different post types such as tips, stories, lessons, or questions. This helps create variety in your content and keeps your LinkedIn presence from sounding repetitive. Different formats also connect with people in different ways, so mixing them can make your content more engaging and more natural. Then go through the list and choose the strongest ideas. Look for the ones that feel most relevant to your audience, most connected to your expertise, and most likely to lead to a thoughtful response or conversation. Not every idea needs to be used, so focus on quality over quantity. Once you have your best ideas, ask ChatGPT to turn each one into a post outline. This is a great way to move from brainstorming into actual content creation because an outline gives you structure without locking you into a final draft too early. Finally, edit the ideas so they match your real experience and voice. This is where the content becomes truly yours. Add your perspective, adjust the wording, and make sure everything sounds authentic. ChatGPT can help you generate the starting point, but your personal insight is what makes the post worth reading.